Today, I'll show you how to create a captivating write-on text effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is perfect for adding a touch of dynamic flair to your video projects, and it's easier than you might think. So let's dive right in and transform your text animations. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. Here, we'll start by adding a new text plus element to your timeline. You can do this by heading to the Effects library on the left side of your screen. Under the Title section, you'll find Text Plus. Drag and drop it directly onto your timeline, positioning it over the clip where you want the effect to appear. If you haven't used Text Plus before, it's a powerful tool that offers more control and customization than the regular text option. Once your Text Plus is in place, ensure it's selected by clicking on it in the timeline. Now navigate to the inspector panel, usually located on the top right. If it's not visible, simply click the inspector button to open it. Within the inspector, you'll see several options, but for now, let's focus on the text tab. Here, you can type in the text you want to animate. Enter your desired text in the text box. Feel free to customize the font, size, and color to suit your video style. Remember, the more visually appealing your text, the more engaging the effect will be. Now, let's bring your text to life with the write-on effect. In the same text tab of the inspector, look for the write-on controls. These controls are key to creating that dynamic handwriting animation. You'll notice two settings, start and end. Our focus will be on the end setting, which controls the visibility of your text. To create the animation, we'll be using keyframes, which are markers that allow you to change values over time. Start by setting the end value to 0. This makes your text invisible at the beginning of the animation. Next to the end setting, click on the diamond-shaped icon to add a keyframe at the start of your clip. This keyframe tells DaVinci Resolve to begin the animation with the text fully hidden. Now, move your playhead along the timeline to where you'd like the text to be fully revealed. This could be a few seconds later, depending on the pace of your video. Once you have your playhead positioned, change the end value to 1. This adjustment will create another keyframe. Now your text will animate from invisible to fully visible between these 2 points. For a polished finish, you might want to adjust the timing to ensure the write-on effect is smooth and suits the rhythm of your video. To do this, simply drag the second keyframe left or right to alter the speed of the animation. A longer duration will create a more leisurely reveal, while a shorter one will make it snappier. And there you have it, a stunning write-on text effect in DaVinci Resolve. With these simple steps, you've added a creative and professional touch to your video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts, sizes, and timings to see what works best for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.